88% of Americans told a recent survey that they think gestation crates and battery cages are unacceptable. Try finding any other issue that 88% of Americans can agree on today. We, as a society, have already decided that animal cruelty is wrong. If you treated your dog the way that a factory farm treats their pigs, you'd be committing felony animal cruelty in most US states. And this isn't just about the animals. Factory farms, which densely crowd together hundreds of thousands, even millions of near genetically identical immune-compromised individuals, are the perfect breeding grounds for disease.